Right, well, while we're getting the air ride sorted, I'm going to be doing a few things with the interior since it's off the road anyway. And what that entails is we're going to change from all this manual stuff, manual window winders. We're going to put in all the XJR gubbins, so you're going to have central locking, electric windows, a lot cleaner looking doors. The catches are going to have to be changed as well, so we're going to have to change this to XJR catches, but I'm going to retain the push button handles, so we're still going to have that motion to open and close the door, whereas on the XJR it was a pull-up handle. So that's the difference between this and this, so that's going to have to be converted. And also the catch there is going to change, obviously, because the latch is going to change. The front one I've started on already, so if we just open this, so as you can see now, it's got the XJR catch. If you look at the striker plate, that's different as well, although it's not finished yet. And then the interior of the door. So now we've got speakers, hooray, music, internal door handles, and electric windows, push button up and down, which on the originally it was a twist to lock and unlock, which was here, and then all the gubbins are in there. You've got the electric wiring loom going through that there, so I've had to plumb that in as well. And as you can see, it's had to be boxed. Well, you can't see, I'll show you how we've done it all, but I've had to sink it into the door to make it fit. And also this here has had to be all made to fit because of all the catches and everything. But this actually opens and closes with the door handle. So next up, we're putting the XJR into an S Type Jaguar doors. So as well as putting all the electronics, everything else in it, we'll also put the internals from the old the donor car. I'm going to take those and put them into the original Jaguar doors, which, as you can see, turn this round, there we go. That's what we've got to fit the workings of the modern one. So we're going to have electric windows, central door locking, everything transferred over, the latches, the whole lot into that door. We started with the donor car doors. If I remove this panel here, we've already started stripping this one down. So we took all the internals off, electrical wise. The motor's still in there, so we're left with a bag of bits like this. That's all the mirrors, ECUs, latches, everything else. Once we've done that, as you can see, I've cut out the motor already. I can get it off here, there we go. I'll lay that flat. You can see now the workings. We've got the hole in the donor car door and the glass as well, which they run at the bottoms. What we're going to take off and put on the original door glass. But I've cut this panel out because we need the markings for where the nuts are for the motor, and we might even use this plate to mount it when it goes back in the other vehicle door. So if I put it up to it, you'll see what we're looking at. So I'm going to pull it back a bit, something like that, but obviously further up. But yeah, watch this space. So, and the door latches as well, they've got to fit in somehow. Right, here we go. So I stripped the door down, the donor door. Took the run off the bottom of the glass. Motor's out, ready to go in. Runner. I'm going to transfer that to the glass. The striker plate, you can see this, but that obviously goes up against there. I've had to cut a hole in it. This just goes back a little bit, doesn't sit quite flush because the screws catch on the door as you close it and open it, so you have to sink it a little bit and take it back into the door a bit because the catch needs to move towards the outer edge of the door. So then you cut out for the actual latch to fit, which is that there, making sure you don't catch anything. This is the mountings for the window winder. So you've got this here like this, so that's going to sit like that behind this panel. So those two bolts there fit in there, and this has got to be fixed in somehow. This is where the door handle fits to pull, but other than that there's not much else we're going to use on the mounting points for the back of the winder. And at the other end I have to sink in, there we go, so that needs boxing in, sinking in there, because that's where the wiring loom comes through, and into the pillar. So plenty to do. Right, so we've made up the parts, just about to fill them now. Doing a bit of filling at the bottom one at doors as well. My welding's atrocious, as you can see. Let's have a look round here. That's for the box for the electrical wiring loom going in. Cleaned all the parts up. So now we're going to just do some filling. Right, well, here we are. It's been a while since I put some on, but the reason for that is I'm waiting for somebody to sort out I've got some guy sorting me some air ride suspension system. It's taking a bit longer than what I expected, so I've done all the plumbing and everything. That's all in place. I've also been doing the doors, putting the electric doors system in. So converting it from what it used to be, which was that system, which as you can see had a paint neck to open, no electric windows or all like that, to this, which is electric central door locking, electric winders, speakers. We might have some sound in here soon. Converting the striker plates to work as well, door handles to open the, because on the other one they were lift up, now I've converted them to push button. I can't show you that at the moment, but I may put that up later. Biggest problem is, as you can see, it's all in bits again, and the problem being I'm getting a system fault where it won't let me start it up. So I'll show you what's happening. Because all the air ride and everything's got all the ABS systems off, but you turn the key, it's not doing anything, it just beeps away at you. So I've had to take all the wiring loom back out again, checking all the earths and everything. Same under bonnet as well, so it gives you a good chance to see what it's like under the carpet in this thing, which is a bit of a wiring nightmare. So yeah, we're trying to sort out why it's not going. I drove it, it stopped when I came to start it again, it wouldn't start. Got it going, thought we'd resolved it, then it's back again where it won't go. So there's something happening somewhere that's not right. Air ride, this is the remote for the air ride. So that's what we're going to be using up front, and that's the for the system. You need to know what pressure's in which side. That's what we're using for that as well. That's going to be plumbed in. But I've took all the carpet out as well, because I think I'm going to put another carpet in. Yeah, as soon as I find out what's causing this non-start, I'll let you know. Thanks for looking. Bye.